And live outside once again, winter weather continues as snow falls here in central Wyoming. Much needed. We're definitely in a deficit. Just how much snow have we had and what's the rest of the day looking like? I'll let you know coming up in your complete weather forecast. Wyoming getting hit on three fronts here. You've got some strong thunderstorms up north, some showers down in the southeast part of our state, and then some showers making their way in from Utah. Convertible tops are down and motorcyclists are out as spring has finally sprung here in Wyoming. It may not sound sexy, but more and more couples say the secret to a happy marriage is sleeping separately. With a little bit of a sneak peek of at least what's planned for tonight is Michelle Franzen, and she's live in New York for us. Tracy, what if the employees aren't necessarily in the union? Is the protection going to be the same for them? As now one of the most influential Republicans in Washington, what do you think about the Tea Party movement? Is it good or bad for your party? Good morning once again, everyone. If you're waking up out west, you are lucky. 5 miles per hour in Riverton for the winds right now. Casper, if you're waking up a little bit earlier than normal, you're probably not alone. 23 miles per hour sustained over the last hour. Gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour and not much calmer even to the southeast of us. Today, winds are going to be increasing. Snow out west. Most of us should be pretty dry tomorrow. Cooler temperatures, lower winds, but you know what that means? Some snow is on the way. Check it out. Satellite and radar right now. Current conditions pretty clear for most of us. Some high-level clouds in central as well as northern Wyoming. Some snow showers again developing out to the west, going to make their way into Teton as well as Lincoln County. Temperatures right now, teens for Riverton and Lander. Casper coming in the 20s, but factor in the wind chill. 11 degrees in Casper, single digits for Riverton and Lander. Big Piney still 5 below zero. If you're traveling along I-25 or heading down to Laramie or up to Casper, be careful. High wind watches in effect. 35 to 45 mile per hour winds. Expected sustained gusts can be as high as 65 miles per hour. That's in effect until tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Right now in Casper, 26 degrees. The sun has risen again. Talking about those winds, southwesterly 23 miles per hour. Those winds, though, going to keep us pretty clear for the most part, but you can see some snowstorms developing up into the northwest of us. They're going to find their way into Casper, not tomorrow, but Thursday into Friday night with that low pressure system and cold front making its way through. So enjoy today. Upper 30s for Douglas, mid 30s for Gillette. Still kind of breezy. Look at that. Torrington and Cheyenne, 45 degrees for your high, 44 in Cheyenne, mid 30s for Laramie. Plenty of sunshine around. Some snow lingering into today for the western part of our state. Pinedale, 27 degrees. Lander going to be at 30 degrees. Jackson, mid 20s for you. Again, 3 to 6 inches expected in the Teton Mountains there, so be careful if you're traveling. Bighorn Basin going to be in the 20s and 30s. Today in Casper, high of 37 degrees, mostly sunny. Be careful of that blowing snow with those winds. Going to be 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts as high as 40 to maybe even 50 miles per hour. Tonight, wind staying with us, cooling us down quite a bit as a partly cloudy evening, 17 degrees. Winds out of the west-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow in Casper, 34 degrees, a mostly clear day. Winds a little bit calmer, still breezy, but then check it out. The snow shows up Thursday night into Friday, 2 to 4 inches expected. Low is going to be pretty much below zero.